this is Kaushik Ranchod from the Ranchod Law Group, and welcome to our weekly Q&A. Today I'm going to talk about medical hardship, one way to help you get your I-601A or I-601 waiver approved. And for many of our waiver cases, our clients have hardship based on medical hardship. So, for instance, what we do is we tie in the emotional hardship, show how that is actually a form of medical hardship. Specifically, we've had a person who has a history of depression, and through that history we documented that and explained how if they were going to be separated, that would trigger the depression again. That's one form of medical hardship that we've used that's outside of the box. Also, substance abuse. We've had a U.S. citizen client where their spouse was from Mexico, and based on the fact that this person stopped using once they met their spouse, we demonstrated how, through our legal arguments and documentation, that if they were going to be separated again, then the substance abuse could be triggered again. Now, it's important to note that mere separation is not a hardship in and of itself. And even minor hardships, such as asthma, if the air quality is very poor from the place that you are originally from, and there's not adequate medical treatment, we can make an argument based on the asthma. Now, that in and of itself is not going to be a strong enough hardship for an approval unless it's a very severe asthma, and perhaps it would be. But what we would do is we argue a lot of different hardship factors. So we throw in the asthma, and for instance, if you had financial hardship or other forms of hardship, we use that to create a total picture of the hardship that you would face if your U.S. citizen spouse had to return to your home country. So I hope that this video is helpful in demonstrating on a few ways that you could use medical hardship to illustrate the overall extreme hardship that you would face if you had to go to your spouse's home country. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and by watching this video you're bettering yourself because you want to try to get legal the right way, and by bettering yourself you're bettering your family, and by bettering your family you're bettering your country. Thank you. That best describes the service you're seeking. I'm attorney Kaushik Ranchod with the Ranchod Law Group. Whether you're trying to determine the type of visa or green card you qualify for, or just need tips on what to look for in hiring an immigration attorney, we have the answers. My team of professionals is comprised of many immigrants, and we understand how complex the process can be on your own. Give my office a call today for a free consumer's guide on hiring an immigration attorney.